guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest and upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I'll be sharing and providing all the information that you need to know, from product names, prices, SKU product features, and launch dates. Just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CA and the website. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start first with the men's pre-fall 2025 DAMIER Denim 3D collection. That will be launching April 24th. First, we have the bag band hobo. Price of this one is $3,550 USD. We have SKU here. Materials denim in the May pattern with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable strap and bag tag as well. Next on the collection, we have this very beautiful pochette accessories, extra large. Price is $2,590 USD. Still from the men's pre-fall 2025 collection, materials denim in the May pattern with cowhide leather trims. It would come with fully detachable leather strap. I love the thick leather strap that it comes with. Then guys, we have a new bag. So this is, I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. So it's Bosphori wearable wallet. For the price, please do stand by. So this is from the DAMIER Denim 3D collection, which the material is still the same. I actually love this material. How do you feel about the DAMIER denim material? Guys, please do comment down below. Next on the denim collection, we have the very popular Rush Bum Bag. So for the Rush Bum Bag, we have SKU here, and the price is $2,590 USD. Materials denim in the May pattern with cowhide leather trims. It would come, of course, with adjustable leather strap, and it would come with gold hardware as well. Love the pocket in front of the bum bag. Next guys, never ever full. Yes, never ever full. So 3,200 USD. So beautiful version of the never full from the men's collection. As you can see, it would come with detachable denim pochette as well, but this time it would come with a zipper. So I love the zipper option for security. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, next guys, next collection, we have the men's pre-fall 2025 Monogram Heritage Collection. That will be launching April 24th. First, we have the Christopher, size MM. Price of the backpack is $3,800 USD. So the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this one is very beautiful with the contrasting silver hardware. Next on the collection, I love also this one, Soul Trunk. Unfortunately, price is $3,950 USD. We have SKU here for your reference. So the material of this one is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. I love the zippered back pocket. It would come with silver hardware, and it would come with chunky detachable leather strap. Next on the collection, so we do have the Horizon 55, 3,900 USD, materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and it would come with silver hardware. So this is the interior. I love the light blue or sky blue colorway. Also, I love actually the silver hardware of this one. So what do you think of the Horizon 55, guys? Please do comment down below. Next on the collection, we have my forever crush. We have Keepall 25. Price of this one is 2,710 USD. We have SKU here, so still from the men's pre-fall 2025 monogram heritage collection. So guys, as are you also noticing the interior, like the red stripe interior? So this one of course would come with leather strap with bag tag. The bigger version, so we have Keepall size 50. So price of this one is 3,650 USD from the men's collection of the monogram heritage. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap, bag tag, and silver hardware. Guys, please take note, everything that we are discussing today would be launching April 24th. Then we have, guys, Trocadero. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. So price of this one, please do stand by, but we have SKU. So this is, guys, like a wearable wallet or wallet on chain style, because it is a little bit smaller, or camera bag would be the perfect description. So it would come with detachable leather strap, as we could see here, and it would come with the monogram canvas material. Then last on the collection, we have the multiple wallet. Price of this one is 615 USD. SKU 14691 from the men's pre-fall 2025 monogram heritage collection. So outside material is the monogram canvas, but the interior, it would be cowhide leather trim. Next, guys, we have another collection that we are going to discuss. So it would be the monograms or men's pre-fall 2025 monogram heritage, but in a different colorway. So first we have the Keepall size 45. Price of this one is 3,600 USD. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. I'm not just really sure of the colorway of this one, guys, but I do love the cream colorway of this one with the contrasting leather trims. Just like this one, a new design bag, Marina tote. Price of this one is 4,050 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. So this is a drawstring style bag. So as you could see, so once you've closed it, you could carry this one as a shoulder bag. Unfortunately, guys, to be honest, I am not loving the Louis Vuitton logo at the strap, the cream strap. I'm not really liking that one. And then we have the steamer wearable wallet. So for the wearable wallet, price of this one is 2,280 USD. So this is the interior. What I was discussing a while ago, it would come with gold hardware. So guys, please take note that the leather strap of the wearable wallet is non-detachable. I do love the gold hardware as well, and also the padlock and lock keys that it comes with. I also love this new bag NIL. So price of this one is 2,710 USD. We have SKU here. So what I love about this bag, so it comes with two strap, detachable leather strap and detachable top handle strap as well. As you can see, it would come with gold hardware, and of course I love the multi pockets in front. Then guys, my forever crush again, Keepall 25, 2,710 USD. We have SKU here, but this time in the cream colorway. I actually love the color combination of this collection, cream, and then of course the pre-treated vachetta leather. So this one of course would come with fully detachable and adjustable leather strap with bag tag. Then guys, another new bag, but this one is really gorgeous in my opinion. So we have the Bobo Messenger. Price of this one is 3,450 USD. So it is like a pochette style bag, or a Kuzan. Actually, the perfect comparison would be the Kuzan bag. What do you think of this one? Comes with top handle and crossbody strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at DAMIER52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!